Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make beautiful stocking flowers, step by step. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need floral wire, nylon stocking fabric in your chosen colors, and a pair of pliers. Also, prepare your workspace with a cutting mat and a ruler for precise measurements. Selecting vibrant colors for your stocking material will allow you to create a wide variety of stunning flower petals. This initial preparation is key to a smooth crafting process. Now, let's move on to crafting our petals. Using your round nose pliers, carefully bend the floral wire into various petal shapes. You can make them round, pointed, or even heart-shaped. Once your wire frame is ready, gently stretch the nylon stocking fabric smoothly over each frame. Ensure the fabric is taut and free of wrinkles. Then, secure the fabric tightly at the base of the wire with floral thread, wrapping it around several times to hold it firmly in place. This forms the individual petals. With your petals complete, it's time to assemble your flower. Take 5 to 7 of your finished petals and arrange them carefully around a central stamen. You can purchase stamens or create your own with wire and beads. Once you are happy with the arrangement, wrap the bases of the petals and the stamen together securely with floral tape. This will hold everything in place. Finally, attach a longer piece of floral wire to create the main stem for your beautiful flower. To give your stocking flower a more realistic touch, let's add some final details. You can create leaves from green stocking fabric, similar to how you made the petals, and attach them along the stem using floral tape. Gently shape each petal to give the flower a natural, three-dimensional appearance, making it look more lifelike. Now, your beautiful handmade stocking flower is complete. You can display it proudly in a vase, or use it as a charming decorative accent in your home.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.